That's all race control, I've been told. We're in Morocco! Good morning from a very misty Lake Garda. We're going to be heading to Genoa due to the weather. It's going to be raining. Hi, good morning and welcome to day 3. Welcome back to the channel. There was lots of tragedy, lots of problems yesterday. I broke my front speed retainer. I don't have a speedometer now. I can't check the speed. We left Lake Garda and we headed down to Genoa. There was rain every kilometer. It was completely wet. We're heading down to Antibes in France. So I'll see you guys on the road. That's the view. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. I'm heading back down towards the coast now, and then we're going to stay on the coast pretty much until we hit Monaco. So all you race fans, keep watching because we're going to do a little section of the Monaco Formula 1 track. Absolutely amazing. And just like that, we're in France. Welcome to France. Went into the mountains, and now a bit of a dream come true for me to go into Monaco and actually ride on the Formula 1 track. A big fan of the Monaco Grand Prix. So this is the Formula 1 track. They come down this hill, and if you look down to the left, you got the Grand Marina. That's all race control, I've been told. So as it happens, I've just driven up Casino. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.